13, 14, 15, continuing on with finding a common base. This time our exponents have quadratic expressions in them also. So really doing the same thing, trying to rewrite them with a common base if we possibly can. So 27 is 3 to the third. So I'd have 3 to the third raised to the 3x minus 3 equals 3 to the x squared plus 2x minus 27. Multiplying that out, I'd have 3 to the 9x minus 9 equals 3 to the x squared plus 2x minus 27. So now that my bases are the same, I can set my exponents equal to each other. 9x minus 9 equals x squared plus 2x minus 27. Since I have a quadratic expression, I've got to move everything over and set it equal to 0. So minus my 9x and add my 9. X squared minus 7x minus 18 then is what I get there. So solving that by factoring, x and x, a plus and a minus. I'd have to have a minus 9 and a plus 2 to get minus 7 in the middle. If x plus 2 equals 0, then x equals negative 2. If x minus 9 equals 0, then I have a positive 9 when I move it over. And so I get two solutions, negative 2 and 9. So number 14, same kind of thing. I can rewrite 16 as 2 to the 4th power. So 2 to the x squared minus 16x plus 24 is going to equal 2 to the 4th raised to the 9 minus 3x. So 2 to the x squared minus 16x plus 24 is going to equal 2 to the 36 minus 12x. Multiplying out my exponent. Now that my bases are the same, my exponents have to be equal. So x squared minus 16x plus 24 has to equal 36 minus 12x. Again, we have a quadratic expression, so we have to set it equal to 0. I'm going to add my 12x and subtract my 36 then. So x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. And factoring. X and x, a plus and a minus, and I'd have to have a minus 6 and a plus 2 to add up to minus 4. So if x plus 2 equals 0, I'm going to write it over here. I get a negative 2 answer. If x minus 6 equals 0, I got to add my 6, so I get a positive 6 answer. So I get x equals negative 2 or positive 6. And one more of those. So on number 15, for my little box to disappear, I have 25, which I can write as 5 to the 2nd power. So 5 to the x squared minus 24x plus 22 equals 5 squared raised to the 3 minus 8x. So 5 to the x squared minus 24x plus 22 is going to equal 5 to the 6 minus 16x. So our bases are the same, our exponents have to equal each other, so x squared minus 24x plus 22 equals 6 minus 16x. Setting that equal to 0, I'm going to add my 16x, I'm going to minus my 6. So I get x squared, let's see, that would be minus 8x. 22 minus 6 would be 16, plus 16 equals 0. Factoring, x and x. Since the end is positive, they're both same as the middle, a minus and a minus. Factors of 16 that add up to 8, 4, and 4. I have a double root, so that means I'm only going to have one answer. If x minus 4 equals 0, then x is going to equal positive 4, and that's going to be my solution.